Exciting new AI features are now available in Grid. Introducing Fix, designed to help you correct spelling and grammar errors, expand on common abbreviations, and fill in missing letters and spaces. Select Fix, and Grid does the rest for you. Designed for text AAC users using any type of alternative access, Fix makes typing and talking easier. It is now a standard option in our Fast Talker and Text Talker grid sets. But that's not all. You can now use 11 Labs voices in Grid. These high-quality, AI-generated voices add warmth, natural cadence, and personal expression. Here's a sample of my 11 Labs voice. As you can hear, it has an amazing likeness to my natural voice. Try these new AI features today with a free trial of Grid software.